In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN to get lower ping while playing Minecraft. If you're tired of lag, slow connections, or being stuck on servers far away from your region, this video will help you fix that. Minecraft servers are hosted all around the world, and the farther you are from the server, the higher your ping will be. That means slower gameplay, delayed block breaking, delayed combat hits, and a less enjoyable multiplayer experience. But with a VPN, you can connect to a nearby location to the game server, reduce the distance your data has to travel, and improve your latency instantly. I've tested several different VPNs for gaming, but NordVPN has consistently delivered the best speeds and stability when gaming in Minecraft. It offers extremely fast servers, low latency, and gaming-focused features that help make your connection smoother and more responsive. Before we start, use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a special discounted price and follow along step by step. After you've signed up, download the NordVPN app on your device, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Android, console through your router, or anything else. Log in to your account, and on the main screen, you'll see a map and a list of servers. To get the lowest ping, you need to connect to a VPN server that is closest to the Minecraft server you want to play on. For example, if your Minecraft server is hosted in Germany, connect to a NordVPN server in Germany or a nearby country like the Netherlands or France. If you're playing on a US server, pick a server in New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, or whichever region is closest. Once you've selected your location, hit Connect, and NordVPN will establish a secure, fast gaming connection. Your IP address will update, and your data will now be routed in a much more optimized way for lower ping. You can also go into Settings and switch to the NordLynx protocol, which usually delivers the fastest performance and the lowest latency while gaming. After that, open Minecraft, join your server, and you should notice smoother gameplay, faster block placement, and combat response, and reduced lag spikes. This can also help if your ISP is throttling your gaming traffic, because NordVPN encrypts your data so your provider can't slow you down based on what you're doing. NordVPN also offers additional benefits, like threat protection, obfuscated servers to bypass restrictions, and a strict no-logs policy to keep your data safe. With thousands of high-speed servers across dozens of countries, you can easily optimize your connection no matter where you play. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start playing Minecraft with lower ping today.